What?
I need my stimulus check, yeah. I need my stimulus check, yeah.
Like,
I need my stimulus check, yeah.
what?
I need
Tell me.
my stimulus check, yeah.
Okay.
I need my stimulus check, yeah.
Mm.
Honey.
Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host with the most, baby, the money coach, baby. I am the motivator, the educator. I am here to help you make that money talk, baby. Okay. And today's video is about that new stimulus check update, baby. I need my stimulus check too, baby. Okay. All right. Now we ain't gonna get too deep into the stimulus check, but if you didn't know, the stimulus check just got passed by the House, baby. Okay, so there's levels to this game, baby. Okay, so there's levels to this game. Just passed the House. Now we gotta wait for it to pass Senate coming up next week. Okay, and one big thing I want to talk about today, baby. Today's video is all about them bad kids, baby. Okay, we talking about the Child Act, baby. Okay. All right, talking about the child tax credit, baby. Okay, it's big money here. So if you got kids, please stay tuned to the full videos. Got some good information for you to see what's going to be in store for anybody filing taxes or who have filed taxes on a new child tax credit if it gets approved and signed by the Senate, and it's gonna go move straight to the president. He gonna sign that thing. Poof, take off, baby. Let's go. Be blessed to invest in yourself. Okay, let's get into the tax credit, what it's about and what's the plans on it. Check was passed by the House on Friday night, baby. Okay, they had the House up in the late night and it was passed. Okay, so that means therefore we have to wait for it to go to the Senate, and hopefully the Senate pass it. Then it gets to the president, he gonna sign it, and we move on from that, baby. Then we get that stimulus check. Okay, but let's get into the child tax credit, baby, for 2021. Okay, and this is what is in that new stimulus check bill. Okay, they talking about a $3,000 tax credit. Okay, the proposal will temporarily increase the child tax to $3,000 or $3,600 per child for most families, and have 50% of it paid in advance by the IRS, baby. Okay, this is real big right here. Okay, President Biden's $1.9 trillion stimulus check package to help tackle the coronavirus pandemic and stimulate the economy is on the fast track. Democrats in the House crafted legislation for this plan, and that bill just passed the lower chamber of the partisan basis. Okay, so it passed the House, what I talked about earlier. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the Senate next week, and hopefully that Senate Biden gonna sign it real quick, and hopefully we looking at some money coming soon, baby. Chin 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 chin. All right. If you didn't know, the previous child tax credit was worth $2,000 per kids, baby. I repeat, the previous child tax credit was worth $2,000 per child at the age of 17, who you can claim as a dependent, who has a social security number. Okay. So before you was getting $2,000 per child. Now, if this new stimulus bill gets passed, you will get a minimum of $3,000 to $3,600 per child, baby. So that's an increase of $1,000 to $1,600 per child on your income tax, baby. So this is big right here. To qualify, the child must be related to you and generally live with you for at least 6 months during the year. The credit begins to phase out if your adjusted gross income is above $400,000, or on a joint income of over $200,000 on a single head of household return. Okay, up to $1,400 of the child credit is refundable for some lower income individuals with children. But these people must have earned income of at least $2,500 to get a refund. Okay, so you got to have at least $2,500 to get this refund. All right. The House passed the expanded child tax credit for 2021. The plan would allow 17-year-old children to qualify also. Second, it will increase the credit to $3,000, as I said before, for most families, okay? Third, it will remove the $2,500 earning floor. Fourth, it will make the credit fully refundable, baby, so it'd be fully refundable. And fifth, it would allow half of the credit to be paid in advance by having the IRS send periodically payments to families from July 2021 to December 2021. Okay? So this is big. So this is pass out, okay? Okay, so get that money, okay? So best believe it's a big difference from $2,000 to $3,000 or from $2,000 to $3,600, baby. Big difference, especially per child. Okay, and a lot of y'all's out there making babies right now, especially doing this coronavirus thing. So it's definitely some good information if you got them kids. All right. All right. So remember, be blessed to invest in yourself. All right. And if you make too much money, you make over $75,000, you know, out of AGIs and over 125, 112 and 500 as a head of household. Hey, it's not looking good for you. This is for the poor folks or people who don't make as much money, baby. Okay, so be blessed to invest in yourself. This is the child tax credit. Remember, hit that like button and subscribe. I try to bring you information and education.